Well, I'm nearing the finish line on my 126 step process that I take a Swedish Beauty through to finalize it before it's ready to go to a premiere. Done all the motor work, done all the other servicing on this machine. I've got a little bit more work that I'm going to do down here in the free arm area, if I can point at it. This has a different bobbin winding system set up where you have to have this little knob turned to this position in order to free up the bobbin winding assembly so that the machine will actually run. Otherwise it'll jam up. So this has to be in. When you're not using it, you can take it out like so and put a bobbin on, and then you can utilize the slow gear on this. But you don't want to run it just like this because the bobbin winding assembly will jam up on you. So you just slide this into position. Which way does it go? Like that. You slide this into position, push it in, and you turn it. It's always easier to do when you're not on camera. Turn it like that so it's right about almost at the 9 o'clock position, and then the machine will run. Well, the machine servicing on the motor and all of the machine except for the free arm area has been done. So let's hear what this motor sounds like. And I should tell you that this is a closed case original Husqvarna motor. I did a premiere many months ago highlighting the different types of motors that Husqvarna used that were 1.5 amps. They're, you know, the original Swedish ones, the closed case ones, and then they also had one by the Free Westinghouse company as well that was also rated at 1.5 amps. But let's hear what this closed case original Husqvarna motor sounds like after this motor has been optimized. And I'll be posting all the pics on Facebook showing my progress steps on the motor and the rest of the machine as well. So keep watch for that. But here's what it sounds like when it's optimized. I'm kidding. That's not even close. I started out slow just to be dramatic. Here's what it really sounds like. Good gravy. It's going to take off. All right, if you got anything less than that, then your machine is definitely not even close to the power of this machine after it's been optimized. Dream on, dream on, dream on. And speaking of dreams, I'd like to introduce a new friend at the workshop. This happens to be the niece of His Majesty the King, Gustavus Adolphus II. Right, Your Majesty? And we don't know what her name is, although she looks very serious, doesn't she? Maybe we could come up with a serious name. Any suggestions? Post it with this mini clip, and we can give His Majesty's niece a name. She's got a little bit of amnesia, so she doesn't remember her name, and she's kind of in another part of Sweden, so His Majesty doesn't know either. That's okay. We'll come up with something really cool. So again, a 1955 Type 21 has that closed case original Husqvarna 1.5 amp motor, belongs to David and Denise Stock out of Crowley, Texas. Crowley, Texas. You know where that is? I don't. Sounds like a wonderful place, though. All right, see ya. Goodbye, Your Majesty. Goodbye, niece with no name. Hey, Dr. Singer. Umi, friends. All right. Take care.